again, looking at it, trying my skills at integration by parts, and this is number 28. So u dv equals uv minus v du. All right, let's write this down. I'm gonna have to pick a u, and I don't know, u equals x squared, good place to start. And that means the dv would equal e to the 3x dx. And let's see, du, let's take a look at that. That would be 2x dx. The v, let's be careful, I have to integrate, right? So it's going to be e to the 3x over 3. I don't worry about the integration constant until the end of the problem, by the way. So I think I'm ready to write this down now. Let me write this over here. So x squared, e to the 3x. I'm hoping things are going to get better, by the way. So let's see, it's going to be uv. That's not so bad. It's x squared, e to the 3x over 3 minus, well, it's going to be v du now, right? So what's v? It's e to the 3x over 3, and the du is going to be 2x dx. Well, things have gotten a little better, right? What do you mean by that? I've reduced the powers in the problem at least, but I'm still seeing something that I don't recognize yet. So let me get the constant out, and I'm going to take care of this 3 and 2 and bring it on the outside. That'll be 2/3. This is typical of the problem. You have to ask yourself, has the integration gotten easier? And it has gotten easier. Before it was a square, now it's just a linear. So I'm going to do the integration by parts again. So I want to erase something because I'm not going to do this again. Right? I'm going to do something similar to this. Right? I'm looking at this problem now. I'm doing something similar, and I'm looking at this. And let me write down what I think I want to try. And again, let me just erase that too. Then, but I'm still looking for this. U dv uv minus v du. So I'm going to say u is equal to x. And that forces me to select the dv to be e to the 3x dx. Well, du equals dx. That's nice and simple. And v, we just did this before, is e to the 3x over 3. All right, let me do this now. And I get x squared e to the 3x over 3 minus 2/3. It's going to be the tough part. Writing this down now. So it's going to be uv, which is going to be x e to the 3x over 3. I think I did okay there. Minus an integration, and I got to be careful here. So it's going to be the v, which is e to the 3x over 3 times the du, and that's just going to be dx. So I'm thinking that it's definitely gotten a lot better. Let's continue to write it down. So it's going to be x squared e to the 3x over 3 minus 2x e to the 3x over 9, and this is going to be plus 2/9 integration e to the 3x dx. I think I can do it. And what's going to be x squared e to the 3x over 3 minus 2x e to the 3x over 9. Now let's be careful about this. What's going to be plus 2 e to the 3x. I'm dividing by 3, but there's a 9 there already, so 27 plus some constant of integration. I'll put a box in this. I do want to see if I got it right. And how do I do that? Look at the k. And the key looks like a long key, right? So x squared e to the 3x over 3. I see that. Minus 2x e to the 3x over 9. Whoops, got an error here. And I notice there's a typo. So over here, this shouldn't be a 3. This should be a 9. All right, I'll correct that error. Let's keep going. Let's see about this one over here. Did I get this? Got another error. Let me see where that error is coming from. Yeah, it shouldn't be that. It should be plus. I'll have to correct this too. You may wonder why this happens, by the way. It's just because when I type things up, I'm rather sloppy, I guess. So let's see if I got that. Yeah, but I need to make corrections, so I need to correct. All right, I'll correct this answer over here, though. Thank you.